Yes guys, welcome to my vlog, and today's video papasyal tayo dito sa Maragondon Food Bazaar dito sa Maragondon, Cavite. At heto na nga guys, sa tulong ng ating lokal na pamahalaan, nagbukas na uli ang Summer Food Bazaar along Colonel Infante Street, Maragondon Town Plaza.
Wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love.
Saan kayo inasal?
Hari ako.
Wait lang.
Tapos Java rice din ah.
Andi ka?
Oh,
Wala mo kayong padanan. Yung left, ano muna, kaya muna tulang. Paano ba?
218 po.
Nay, ano ka saglit? Doon sa nakakulay na.
ayan na lang, babe. Dito lang.
Saan?
Naku, isa. At syempre, solve na naman ang aking partner na si Lakwat Seraan. Since coffee lover tayo guys, napadaan tayo dito sa Big Brew katabi ng Ihawan. Bigay na?
Ay, ano ba? Maliit o malaki?
Maliit lang. Sa'yo? Maliit lang sa akin.
Malit sa'yo. Isang malaki sa mga. Yung matcha, malaki. Yung vanilla maliit.
Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tayo na sa Maragondon Food Bazaar.